Introducing the 2020 Volvo Xc60 R design, T8 Phev AWD in stunning red. With a 2-litre engine and a petrol plug-in hybrid electric fuel type, this estate body style is sure to turn heads. Loaded with comfort and safety features like satellite navigation, rear armrest, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, this vehicle truly has it all. The interior boasts luxury trim, while the exterior features a sunroof, privacy glass, and roof rails. Plus, with innovative technology like lane departure warning and energy recuperation, you'll feel confident on the road. Fully inspected and serviced, this Volvo comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.